Hi guys, welcome to ElliottWave-Edge. Today, 15th July. 15th July before. And I'm showing you the gold chart. So let's we see in my last video, I have count the wave like this. One, 2, 3, 4. Then my target was 24, 25. It's almost achieved. So uh, let's see count fresh count. We do the fresh count. Each time we have to counting fresh counting. Let's see. So you can see I have mentioned this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But as I have seen this candle and this personality, this is the part of either it's C wave or third wave. So in higher time frame, we are in a fourth wave. It might complete here or it's still in under process. Let's now counting this view. I'm shifting. This is the third wave is continuing. Either it's C wave or new impulse wave. If it is a C wave, then it's A, B, and C. To exactly near 223 percentage. Let's see the retracement. We have two levels. One is 2392 and one is 2373. And this is the yellow zone where price may bounce from here. Now we analyze this wave. So we go in a 1 hour time frame. See on a 10 minutes time frame. Yeah. You can see here, this is the A, B, and C. It looks like A, B, and C. Then A, B, and C inverted flat. This is the personality of C wave. C wave. So either we have completed correction here. This is 3, this is 4, and one new impulse third. Or there is one more personality, one more possibility. If we completed fourth wave here, then we forecast for fifth wave. And this is our first target, 2441. But this is our but if fourth wave is not complete here and one more retracement is pending, then Let's analyze this. If price goes below this, this is the point 2391, then we may see one lower level 2373, 2373, 76 to 73. In between 2374. So I'm not convinced that the price start from here towards the 2440, but possibility there one more correction like A, B, C. Can see here this is the A wave and this is the kind of NCB and one C. So it's possible like this, and if we uh, trade above this level 2425, then we may see a 2441. So how to trade? This is not the trading zone. So trading zone is here, 2375, around 2375 for the target of 2440. First target 2440. So here we cannot find any good risk reward entry. If you enter here, then how you will execute the trade? That is the importance. How you execute the trade. Let's see. If you enter here 2375 and your SL is like this is the big SL, so I'm not comfortable with it. You enter here 2375, then here your SL below the 2370, 2370, and your target will be the 2440. So you can see here risk reward up to 16, and you can uh, increase the lot size if you find the waves like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to increase the lot size on every day with the manager risk. Um, Example, if you buy here 0.01 lot size, let me explain you. One 0.10 lot size at 2375. If price start to go upward and if you found any retracement 50 to 60 percentage, and as per your price action, then buy one more lot size at 2380. When it's crossed above this level, price cross above this level, then you have to buy one more lot size 0.10. And if your confidence boosts that we are in a third wave, and you can buy with SL of this level or this level, increase your lot size as per your money management. And finally, you can increase lot size here also. Same, you have increase here, you can increase on in this way also. And increase lot size of initial lot size 5 times, 10 times, then you can make good rewards at the end of the fifth wave. So this is how I trade. And if you want to see my trades, my style, you can join me on Telegram. I have mentioned in detail below details uh, where you can see my trades, my style. I'm mostly try to get more than 1:10 risk reward. So this is how I trade. Hope you enjoy the my exhibition analysis. I will update this in tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Thank you.